So when is it time to replace your system? A trained professional can help you through that, but ultimately it's your decision. If your electric bill starts getting higher and higher, maybe doubling what it used to be, that's a pretty good chance. A technician can put a gauge on there and show you exactly how much extra electricity your system is using every time it runs. Another reason your system might need replacing is if it's developing mold inside it. We can clean the mold out for the most part, but there's no way to get it all out. Sometimes it's just time to replace an old system. And then the other reason we might want to replace an old system is because it's just so dirty and so old and rickety that it's just not able to keep up, and your repair bills every year become higher and higher. So a brand new system with a good warranty could actually save you money in the long run. If your air conditioner breaks down, if your heater is not working, if you're just not getting the performance out of your system that you want to, call Air National Texas at 281-251-3143. Or you can visit us on our website at airnationaltexas.com. At Air National Texas, we create your comfort zone.